Diski Times, now available in stores around the country.
It is TV powered by World Sports Betting. It is times.co.za. Kaizer Chiefs won, Mamelodi Sundowns won in the first leg of the MTN 8 semi-final. Mamelodi Sundowns with a very late away goal, courtesy of Kurisho Mutau. It means that Kaizer Chiefs have to visit Pretoria and score. If it ends 0-0 in Pretoria, Kaizer Chiefs will be out. That's the difficulty that Chiefs find themselves in this tie when everyone thought it was all over. Don't forget to subscribe as well on our channel. It is TV. Press the subscribe, the like button, and comment on our content as well. Junior Khanye, what did you make of the game, sir?
Nguleko maprada kunjani mfethu ngibulise uBenedict Sovilakazi ngibulise umntana ka Ramasedi mfethu uMachaka ngibulise uJustice ebafethu kunjani keep on supporting iDiski TV fighting no one try to fix South African football very tactical game nguleko yabo ushuthi le game lebe tactical kakhulu mfethu I think qale ngeKaizer Chiefs they came to this game with a plan of ukubamba iKaizer Chiefs with breaks Mamelodi Sundowns kama breaks if not the priest Potsane unomodi you've got the hope yokuthi bazo uzoyicatch iSundowns kuma wing back kwabo ngespeed or defense behind them cause badlala ngama wing back which is Umdiba nomdawo I think iplan ukuthi definitely sure just try and catch until the priest or Modi or uPotsane but now first half those players they were off you uzbuz good why off it's because of I think uCastillo no Mart both of them middle ngihlale issue you will never have a middle fielder enga busy bowler combine nayo angeke ukuthi uDeprez banaye uModi no nalomchita lo uPotsane batholo idefender okanye ugoalkeeper the goalkeeper can't pass kunama middle fielder kusho ukuthi Martin no Castillo keeper Mtanzane as well he was off so three middle fielders with Kaizer Chiefs that time on shape Mtanzane uMart Castillo they were off we need to be honest Castillo Scott I don't think this guy is a more central it's all right yabo I don't think he's a defensive holding midfield he's more of attacking midfield ngoba ukudlala kadlali but lama runs awenzayo mfethu score vital goals mawunga checka negoal alikora against badlala neStellenbosch not Stellenbosch Cape Town City I attack ekora lebhola far post uvela ufaka inyawo nje near post to risk ngalo ndlela good goal run abe arrogant from deep a jump ama attacker so I think the guy is more of an attacker midfield yabo bengeke bengadlali and front trip as usual ayidlali yilento bengitshela ngamagoli abo laba ukora ukuthi amagoli abakora ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi kuzoba consistency now and then impact for yabo I think the coach bedlala more or less 4-3 approach le game ngalo ndlela but he brought everybody behind the ball wonke umuntu bekaqala move we attacker ngapha yafini yakhe leyo nto ikhathaza team of first half badlala bebamaka they were defending movement of the ball but it downs now going to their side they came to this game they had so many ball position but the pace yabo walking pace they never had Kaizer Chiefs umuntu bekafuna ukuhead Kaizer Chiefs ngale pace uRibeiro because he was very dynamic individual alone but umshishi it was bekayenza ibe very well ku Kaizer Chiefs because bekalanda ibhola too deep ayenze lento enza umkwene no Alende in the middle kanti if he was bypassing dribbling to eliminate and then bekuzoba problem Neo Mayema I think uNeo he was not more effective ngoba udlala ifront three uNeo Mshishi na uRibeiro both of them uNeo makalanda ibhola landela umshishi that's make it difficult for Ribeiro ukuthi abe one but the guy did very well I mean the ball leli ifuneo beka joina nomshishi le ball abambi shot uRibeiro bekumele kube ni rebound bayilandela so compliment to Sundowns ngendlela idlale ngayo I mean truly speaking away team they play as if they play is a home team quality you can't deny it it's a good movement of the ball fluid each have joba ngisho they never had Kaizer Chiefs in the ball position first half they didn't go behind them they never use Chiefs I think came to this game unseki uthesifala ama pocket but when a plan ukudefenda yena it didn't have a plan yokuhit Sundowns with him as well so it didn't have a plan to hit Mamelodi Sundowns as well angeke ubuyise uDeprez azofawula abantu ngapha angeke ubuyise I mean to me ku attack Chiefs uDeprez is the only player that is so better I mean nangale game namhla uvelile nkuleyo if you question iModi namhlanje I need to question uModi banoPotsane njoba ngisho ukuthi even nalama game scoring uModi he never show up fit I mean, mfethu zenzele space. Mawubona ukuthi ibhola ulitholanda yafina ukuthi confident. Ukore 3 goals in 2 games. Itholanda confident. Maybe maphezu kwebhola starts wenze something ngebhola so that you gain that confident. Ngoba ukorile, you just go 2 games in a row, 3 goals. So mangabe uzoba uma uselayinini uma kwa line every time when you push the ball ufuna ukusebenzisa speed uzophumela ngaphandle. And ku-easy ukuthi umodi phela umodi bekamakhane nalomjito umdawo. And pound to pound with speed. Mawufuna ukuya unless you are so skillful in a football brain. Awumlanding a speed, ucreate a moment on 2 or uyangaphandle ungena ngaphakathi uzoba confused. So I think uthi Breeze ukuthi ay wide ibanqedile ku Kaizer Chiefs cause ubringe into bengalethwa uPotsane noModi. He went wide, he did one move. It benefited Kaizer Chiefs. Good goal. Ukuthi umjita run. It
was a good move.
Very good move fethu bheka amathasha walela phola. Amathasha babe nawo kuyo yonke game leya. Cause Sundowns dominated this game. We need to be honest. But la mathasha la before the goal, Kaizer Chiefs we need to give. So Sundowns after conceding quality yabo ngeke uyiquestion mfethu. Look at the goal labo mfethu. It's something else out of the blues.
There's something as well that needs to be mentioned about the Sundowns that number one they conceded.
Yeah. And
then they made tactical adjustment. You started to see, if you remember, Iran Gamotao across. He was almost playing like a striker. The goal that he scored, when the game started, Umutao bam assigned no to prayer. They played him almost as a centre back, but he landed to prayer wherever he is. When they conceded, then Rolani had to earn his money. He changed Umutao. He said, go to the right hand side, the right wing forward, and ungena boxing, and that's benefited them.
Yeah, na we got like front three Rolani, which is Uripero, Umshishi. Uneo. He thought they will give him some. Umcheka we never move forward. First half. As we show. Every time the Breeze he goes inside more, become a centre back. By 3. And it's difficult for repair. But you need a midfielder slam. Martina is Castillo. Tanzan is a senior place off. I mean, you need to raise his hands. We need to be honest because game management. It gives you lead 1-0 good game. You just needed to manage the game, chance. Ilento ngitshela ukuthi mandlala ngespeed one way okanye neko orange out of the blues. I game bemeleni manage le. You needed dribbling wizards la. Abazotholisana bana ma yellow card abachita first half athola ma yellow card go downs. Dribble them. 1-2 move on the ball, movement of the ball, movement of the ball nibe more dynamic, ni control the tempo of the game. Ni we understand things support each other. La ipola le yakhona midfield support. So now if inzothi nanqeda score 1 bese now you need to score. Epitori. And Epitori, truly speaking, I'm sure Rulani, he saw his mistake. They dominate this game, but they never went behind defensive chiefs, especially after first half. Second half, after conceding, it's when I push him down. Afunama wing back okahamba. As ngisho, I'm sure Epitori, Nkulego, it downs has fit. Truly speaking, they will go. Angeke bathi thina siya defend. Yabo. They will never do that. Yabo. Ikaizer Chiefs HIV yabo ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi how he's going to approach the game. Losing. Because once avule move, ngoba namhlanje uphaka tactics yakhe, ube nengqondo ukuthi I'm going to stop Sundowns, akanayo plan ukuyikora. You playing home. You can't stop Sundowns. You playing home fit. So, truly speaking, ngizoba never not so many chances for both teams. Yeah, Sundowns dominated the game, but not many chances created by both teams. I think the game is everyone. We got good goal from Kaizer Chiefs, especially Lela Kolebal Korile, Ilhoma touches wabo. So compliment, but they need to do that more, man. They must talk to their midfielders, Kaizer Chiefs, to come to the party in order for them to dominate games. And namhlanje they were off. It was Sundowns, Mkwena, Lende, Mshishi as well. And Neo Mayema. And against who? Because they were not even challenged. Senkulma ngabo mina the Moroccan Rivado Kutse Mvala. Not even challenged. Nothing challenged because of Benebabu Yangichi about the Breeze. Menuti Breeze we him Kalila because the energy that is using ile anu use Kaichi something. Other players those are senior players joba ngishim tanza no muri korile uphinda umnike that benefit of the doubt. They scored 2 goals, 3 goals in 2 games, but akakadlali. So he came here deserve this, but the Sundowns dominated the game. So it's going to be very difficult for Chiefs.
Last one, what did you think of Jason Gonzalez? It's the first time we saw him today. It wasn't offside really, but he missed it anyways. It was a 1-on-1 with the goalkeeper. So far so good. What did you see?
Yazi kunzima ukuthi ukhulume ngomuntu ongakamboni. We need to be honest. Ngisafuna ukumbona yabo ukuthi imjito udlala but it seems as if he's a typical striker and ikuphi Colombia.
Yes, South American.
South American will be dynamic mfethu. Yambona a very dynamic. Yambo Ripero. I'm just making dynamic South American, you know, bo Brazil, bo Argentina, you know, Chile, Uruguay. We are dynamic kuleyo. Kune menchis. You understand? You can't bring somebody zomalaganti bonga bathola la Jews baningi abantu abanjengalabo. You can bring, so angeke ngimjudge umjita much. I haven't seen him. I can't lie. And njoba ngisho kuwe ikule game namhlanje ungenile, I think bekusasene isikhathi 20 if not mistaken 20 minutes 22 minutes 23 minutes. Ngifuna ukumbona manazana azuthasha ibhola enza ama runs. Yabona into engiyibone ngaye is a bit slow phela. Yabo angeke ngimjudge, angikamboni ukuthi kwazi ukuzicreate ispace, uyakwazi ukucombine neteam yakhe, he can carry the team, they can rely on him. You understand? Ngifuna ukumbona ukuthi the Chiefs ngeke libe heavy for him because angeke ngikhomele ngaye. So lo ngibonile angaboni, I haven't seen nothing much.
Alright, there you go. The new striker Efman Johnson Jason Gonzalez calendar ingenile namhlanje kodwa ke akabi khondo siyibonileyo kwangoku. Iqale Kaizer Chiefs ke liphansi labaleka nawo umdlalo ngenxa kwelinye eqandeni kwathi ke kusheke imizuzu emine wangena ke umuda uKhorisho ngenhloko bamthumile ngasemva kwathi ahambe yaphambili siyashota ngo wa equalizer ke umudawo sabe ke sithetha nge away goal yeMamelodi Sundowns. Londo ithetha into baxa isiya eLucas Masterpieces Moripe Stadium iKaizer Chiefs kuzafuneka ke ngoku ikore inqaku ukuba ngu-0-0 izabe iphumelele iMamelodi Sundowns. So Kaizer Chiefs have to find a way with their planning. They have to find a way to score an away goal now. But otherwise, if it ends 0-0, it's all over. That was a decent game tactically. We hope you enjoyed it. We hope you enjoyed the video as well. It is KTV, it is Times, World Sports Betting. Thank you for watching us.